Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Do you love me?
Well, no.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Will you marry me?
No way.
Are you angry?
Yes, a little.
Why are you angry?
Because you are rude.
I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Please forgive me.
It's okay.
Shall we keep talking?
Yes, let's keep talking.
Who are you?
I am Mary.
What are you?
I am a student.
How are you?
I am fantastic.
Where are you?
I am at home.
Why are you upset?
I am not upset.
When are you coming?
I am coming right now.
Who are you calling?
I am calling my mom.
Which one are you taking?
I am taking the red one.
What are you doing?
I'm talking to you.